students, friends, and enthusiasts. So in today's video, we will be discussing about types and different type of diodes which are kept over here. So I will just tell you about what are these diodes, how you are going to identify it, and finally, how you are going to test it with the multimeter. Okay. So different type of diodes will have different type of functions. So first diode, what you see here, very small diodes, very small diode. This is right. This is signal diode. Okay. IN4148 signal diode, or you can in this size or just exactly the same, you will get Zener diode also. So second one here, you have a rectifier diode that is 1N4007. It can be fast switching rectifier also. It can be normal rectifier also. This one is a bit thicker, that is little more thicker it is. So you can see this is a bit thicker diode, but this is a Zener diode. Okay. For why it is thick? Why? Because it is the current rating is high. That is power capacity is more. Okay. Wattage is more. So next is this diode. This is also a little thicker. Same like your rectifier diode. This is also this thing, but this is 4 amp diode. 3 amps or 4 amps current it can have capacity. This diode only can work up to 1 and 2 amps. Okay, but this diode has more capacity. So this is a little thicker. Please remember that thicker. Why it is thick and all you have to understand. This is also a LED diode, LED diode, a powerful LED diode. The next to it, I will just show it to you. The next to it, this is signal diode. Okay, OA79 and other diodes. This thing for modulation, sorry, demodulation. This is the one, and this is the normal diode that is your LED diode. Okay, so these are the different type of diodes. One more thing I would like to show it to you. This is optocoupler, but inside the optocoupler, one side there is a diode in a pack inside. Okay, this is a complete pack. I will show you. This is a complete pack. Okay, complete pack which has 4 points in it. Okay, this is PC817 optocoupler. We call it as optocoupler. There in the optocoupler, two ends, this two ends, you have a diodes. There is a point over here. So that is a diode. This side and this side, it is a transistor. But transistor, not the 3 points, only 2 points. What are those? The point is one is collector and the second one, the other one is emitter. Okay, collector and emitter. So these are the optocoupler we call it. So why we use it for switching purpose. Now, how to check these diodes and how you will test the diodes, that we will see now. Okay, so first one by one, the probe. Okay, these are the probes for the diodes, multimeter. First, where you have to keep the multimeter, you have to understand that. Now it is an off condition. I will put it on diode range. There is actually there is a marking given over here, but that diode symbol has been given. So you have to keep it there. Okay. Right. If diode symbol is not there, then you have to take a resistance mode or 2K mode, we can call it as. So here the diode symbol has been given. So I have kept it on this. Okay, we have two probes here, red and black. So what you do is first diode, it is all on the placed here. So I will just tell you what is you are getting. So black one is on anode, sorry, cathode. Cathode. Now how I'm telling cathode, can you see a black color line over here in the corner? If it is a diode of this style, there is a silver color line. But here you have a black color line because the color of the diode is red. So you can just make it out, the color, and you can say. So the color part, sorry, the black ring part or the silver ring indicates cathode. So wherever there is an indication, it will be maximum time. In a diode, it will be cathode. Okay. So how to test a diode? Red one, I'm keeping it on positive or anode, and black one, I'm keeping it at cathode. So I've got a resistance over here, right? 658, 6 resistance. Now reverse it, reverse it, reverse it. Then when I reverse it, I should not get any resistance. So that means my diode is okay. PN junction diode. The same thing, same principle you have to work with this diode also. That means one side will show a resistance, or it will give you a resistance, another side it will not show you anything. That means the diode is good. If it gives both the side, that means the diode is short, okay? Or if it doesn't show both the side, the diode is open. Same thing here also. Xeno diode, there are chances that it fails because breakdown voltage, if it doesn't, it crosses, it will fail. So you have to check properly the Zener diode. So this Zener diode is okay. Even this diode, right? Okay, same principle, same we have. Please remember, all the diode testing is same like what I am testing now right now. Okay, what I am testing right now, all the diode testing will be same. Okay, same here also. Signal diode. Okay, making the probably the resistance will be more or less. Okay, that is the only difference. How to test a LED diode? Same mode. If you show, it will give you a light. Please remember, it will give you a light. Right, I will just show it to you. I will just try to show it to you. So there is a LED, positive, negative. So it is the light, because you have a battery inside, that current is going in the inside, the voltage is going and it is showing. So indication, if it gives the indication, that means the diode is okay. Now how you will know the anode and cathode? The lengthier the lengthier pin is positive, that is anode, and another shorter pin is minus, that is we call this a cathode. So while testing diode or especially LED, you have to be very, very careful. Anode, that is positive side, and cathode, that is negative side. Okay. Same thing here also in this SMD diode, you will have anode and cathode, but like, right, it is reverse now. You can see it is coming because this is a powerful diode. So I have to give more voltage. But for testing purpose, I can see the light and I can tell it. Oh, so this is about diode, how to test it. Okay, different type of diodes, its function I just gave you. Once again, I will tell you: signal, purpose or Zener, rectification, converting AC to DC, Zener for regulation. This is higher current rating rectifier, or we can call it as a switching, same type of diode with different number switching diodes. This is LED diode for your LED bulbs. This is for your detection purpose, detector diode, or for converting one or stopping one type of signal, or demodulated diode. This is LED. Now we'll finally come to this part, that is your this one, that is optocoupler. So how to test an optocoupler? I told you one side you have only this thing will be there, diode. So that only part you can check. Okay. So it is coming to around one side it was some resistance, another side no resistance. So this is the way you check the diode. And how about this? If this side it will not show anything, because emitter and collector, if it shows, that means the diode, this optocoupler has failed. Okay, it should not show anything both the ways. If you turn it this side, if you turn it that side, it should not say anything. So I hope you understood how to test the diode with the multimeter, how to check what is the function of different type of these thing, right? Different type of diodes. Okay, so this is very simple, very basics. You should understand. That means identification of diode are very, very important. Okay, right. Now you have small diodes also, that is assembly diodes. Like in this, I will just I'm trying to show it to you. So this diode, this is assembly diode. Okay. So maximum of your LED bulbs and all will have this type of diode. Of course, we can test these diode also, whether it is working or not. How you will test these diodes? Simply just of the same way, but you have to be very, very careful. That is how it is coming. You can see the light has come now. Sorry, I can, yeah, light has come now. I'm just removing it. So likewise, you can in series and all, you can check all the lights. So this is SMD diodes. You can test with the help of multimeter. Okay. All right. So I will show you one more very small diode, that is SMD diodes. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 diode together connected in a fashion we call it as a bridge rectifier diode. Okay. We can test this diode also. How to test? But you have to be careful. Okay. So please remember while testing the diode, the rectifier, especially diodes, you see that the power it is not connected to the mains power. All right. So you have to check one side it has come, another side we'll reverse it and we'll check. So another side it has not come. So this diode is okay. All the 4 diodes, if it is bridge rectifier, all the 4 diodes you have to check. Please remember that. If a one diode from a bridge fails, you have to replace the complete 4 diode. My suggestion is you replace all the 4 diodes together, right? So this is about how you test a diode. This is also a diode. Okay. Diode can come in a pack also. It comes in a pack. That is, if you have in this type of pack also, it can come in this type of pack also. This is 220, we call it as 220 pack. That means inside this, it looks like a transistor from outside, but inside you have diodes. That is 2 diodes, where that either it can be common anode or it can be common cathode. Okay, so these type of diode also present for in your computer power supply, SMPS computer power supply. We have this type of diodes. So this is about diodes. I just gave you a little idea. I will in the next video, I will tell you about how to test transistor and different type of transistor and its working. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.